How many hours have you wasted fighting admin panel boilerplate while deadlines loom? This skill gives you React plus Tailwind UI kits with Material UI integration, JWT based RBAC with granular permissions, OAuth 2 SSO connectors for Google/Microsoft, and WebSockets powered live dashboards with Chart.js. Whether you're a full stack dev drowning in CRUD ops, a DevOps engineer battling IAM sprawl, or a startup CTO racing to MVP, we've all been there. Let's stop rewriting the same damn login page. Here's what's inside the building admin panel skill: real time data visualization with Chart.js and Socket.io integration, role based access control using JWT middleware with RBAC policies, pre-built CRUD components for user management, content moderation, and analytics, SSO compatibility with Auth0, Firebase Auth, and custom IDPs, expert-grade security headers, and CSP enforcement. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just an admin panel, it's your new development superpower. Installing the Building Admin Panel skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-admin-panel. That's it. You'll get the complete skill with expert level guidance and code templates for React admin portals, Express.js middleware, and PostgreSQL seed scripts. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows RBAC architecture patterns, SSO integration workflows, and dashboard optimization techniques. No PhD required. Just ship your admin panel before lunch.